24 hours elapsed before we start for vote for get we new president for this side. So for Douala, we dey talk big salute. We throwing a big salute for outside day PG News debate number 6 day inside number 10 moon for 2018. We don't start. We sorry so we start late small, but sabi say better say you late than self say you no even come for this side. Inside Tori for this afternoon, we get plenty thing that we'll talk. We get palava for Watawe a meet up people then for road from Doc Passy side they will go talk we go take talk chapter for die where it happen to plus even fire where it happen for inside Douala here. Sabi say chapter for campaign SSF we go finish today for inside Equinox Story House. After campaign today, last one them. Tomorrow, all man he must to go duty we get for do we na palava for vote. Inside Tori for this afternoon, calling people them. We get two peoples where we don't have invite them, we don't give them invite. Say make we try for talk wait there for outside. One I go talk say good afternoon for you, Oga Lewat. Good afternoon for you.
Good afternoon, Oga Ambassador. Good afternoon for all the viewers and all Melon, my city.
All right, another person too will go talk say make the salute na Oga Ajam Divine. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Ambassador.
Yes, and we glad for see you after we be make a accident and as I be say this also waka corner.
Na be normal, but now say God, it don't help me, and at the time any man will support me for the accident, God, it don't make me I don't come back again. So same would actually.
All right, thank you plenty for the time we will spend our TV for this side. So now the two people then that will get them for talk this afternoon. One time we go enter for two, we'll get them for now for this afternoon. We'll go start now with this palava for flood inside Douala here. Rainway before for Douala for inside the week. He suffer plenty people that way they shidon for place where they call them saying Doc Passy, yes. Doc Passy at 3. Now for sideway this so they put them saying a place we put the shidon. We enter for day for talk at this palavam. Make we try for see who get for inside this arrangement. Now Mami said that Mami for picking way he carry person for inside this palavam. Where he this we get for carry a picking for commode. As well sabi for inside this arrangement. Place where they call them say Doc Passy when a place where they just open them water it the turn up quick water the turn up quick for that side now it make them plenty people themselves they know the fit for do it in plenty people them they know the fit for waka when rain it don't fall for that side sabi say this arrangement for palava for water it worry plenty people them yes it worry plenty people them for that side after we rain it fall for place where they call them saying Doc Passy now for side for village and plenty people them they talk say Guataho SSF you know the them school picking the SSF they no be fit for go school that morning time for sake of the plenty rainway a before for that side. Just now as well the see image for that side I will talk for you Oga Ajam Divine when you see where they happen for Douala moto SSF where it no be there you check say this sick we sabi say Douala first na town way normal na water town but you check say the kind of things so get for the happen for Douala the kind of time sabi say man damn say they come for Douala small time.
Ambassador, na thing we don't see and na thing we will continue to see. Douala they like say they only surprise people then where they no be know say the kind thing go be like thing like Douala. Douala na thing we will meet up and rain the enter for people their house, rain the block road. Till today for 21st century Douala rain the steep block road for Douala. I will get city council there where they talk say they defeat gutter them. Up to now, nothing, not the show. I'll be glad to say when I be show up on Lycée de Mambanda, they were picking they remove shoe before they go school. This sick, it don't enter for people they are blood for Cameroon. If I say more change all thing so that my country be fine.
Now, when you see this, I will try for ask you. If you say na for sika say Douala na place with normal, she don't talk what na why they get for suffer they can suffer or na just for sika say maybe some people they know the big house or place where they get for Bila.
Yes, Douala no na only for Douala or for Cameroon water. The other country then water they. But how they do succeed then they drain the water. Now because they get town planning and good drainage pattern where they have say make water no the stand. If they be do and too so for Cameroon, they will not the see the kind in them. So I know talk say na because of Douala. I'll talk say na because people they no want fix Douala may be like other country or may resemble economic capital.
Now, Ogale what you say Bitori man, Douala for the kind of face, so now We sabi one say Douala dey na for top water, but we would also see the same thing all time when small rain fall. Now water when small rain fall, people they hear about. You try to say some work they really get for do am for say make the thing stop or it go ever stop.
This kind of thing for this time where we talk so ambassador, na big surprise. So we did try for see as we go do another African Cup for few months and rain the fall for Douala. This Douala way they like we own face for world and that kind of water the being again. Na bad na some bad thing. And no na only say as teacher be talk, no na only say Douala na for water side. Na say people where they get charged for work that work, they know they do no nothing. Correct. They know they make their work as they get for do. And since 3 years now, it be start now for Makepe. They talk for all French, for all people. French people give money, say make they try put that drain them. When water begin pass fan, they take money pack them. Oga for
Government delegate.
Yes, Oga delegate. He thought say go fix that side for Mabanda. He no fix am. This one too can be now. We get so way Mr. Ahmad he passed for ya 3 days ago. For see if he go live, we say we make that African Cup. And this one way see him, so he go big na big shame. Because he want come out, he try talk say he know but see bad road for Cameroon. I think say he want talk say he no. And I kind of thing where he see him so.
Alright, and a sick way we don't talk, you know, go surely fit for some, but if the people that say they put their hand, they decide say they want work, the work, it go surely go for before. Another story will happen for inside the week, now so quarter story we don't start with them. We go enter for place where they call them say New Bell, for place where they call them Photo Godin. Now for this way accidents it be happen for night. Traffic it dey, some people they be one go house, but we no be them. After we some motorway it dey carry Mimbo Sesep, it jam some Okada man, carry the Okada, drag am with it die body so they reach us on level. It make Sesep road, it block their motorway on a way turn up so. Now motor Sesep we make that accident for inside Douala here for place where they call am say Photo Godin. Now for New Bell side. And wetin happen, they talk say boy wey die, literal 384 number for motor. The person wey die for on top Okada, call the people them. E be dey na person wey comot for Banso. Sabi say army rescue people the SSF, they be there for day where they one can check wetin wey really pass. When we see the motor and the two wey carry am for his skin, plus the container or even the Okada where the motor waka on top, we go see say true the accident be there na one way person no for fit for live. For sika say he mash the Okada, carry the Okada so tey before he no be even sabi sef say person dey. Last after where people they can't talk, one time na where the Okada is stop, but the person say if he don't die, Okada say as soon as they see am, Okada be even dey some kind of way if you take and go sell for Panabita say he go tell you say he no go fit for work that one, they go only come up at them fix different Okada with them. So one person he die and we say so we dey the time where they carry that person when na some boy where we hear say come up Banso, he say spare part them na either way die where they put it inside clothes one time, put am for inside taxi straight direct. Now for co-house way they go for putty. Ogande what we sabi say Cameroon e get better load, and they ever talk say big motor they no get for waka for some kind of time. And sabi say that accident happen for night, but when big motor the waka like the motor they carry Mimbo tonton, if you say they get for the waka with plenty speedway, they go even jam person so they kill am.
Oga Ambassador, anyhow for inside town, no motor no get for waka for high speed, because you know say for town you fit one pass some pikin wey dey play, e can come out for before. If you get there for high speed, you no get time for whole break. And we must talk to say that we friend them, that we brother them for Okada. They know say where truck dey, that conductor for truck e dey up. You know the sitting where they really dey down, and they know they even look for that there on
small looking glass.
Yes, looking glass for corner. If you make so way, that man be going, he come for that high speed, You know, see say that Okada man there for a corner. Okada man too, as they like for make some kind of John and then the Okada, he just come in tattoo for under that truck. And if they get for waka for net, I think say they on time for waka if even for even time. I thought that truck them. Yes, time we all taxi and all work people don't go back for coal. They feel waka for net. But down kind of waka for high speed na bad.
Now, I remember say time we accident for Timba Moto, he passed on Mutengene, minister we be there that time, he be tossing me Timba Moto, they know the waka for the time. But today, inside Douala, you the waka with the Timba Moto for corner like so, na become be them. Pajan, you feel say accident na careless for people where he drive the big motor or na Okada man, and they accident them for Douala. You feel say if you control the accident them, or people they for go back for school.
Tiwa I tell you, I say, you know, Camion and Okada people, they did how a mosquito they disturb man. When Okada man they for front, it they like say they disturb a camion person. It must do everything. May do even pom way they make them for back. If he make Okada man fi go get accident because of that fear, it they like say they intimidate them saying that they are rude. If na say na the most of the people they die, would they blame Okada people at time, but no na they be the cause. Mostly this driver them, since they know say Okada no fit do nothing, they need the fear Okada when they for front, they follow na the road. They be cause for the accident. They were most of the Okada people they die. Though Okada people they lie for make mago for road, but at time so one they calculate space, other one they need to calculate, but the camion driver they be mostly cause for their accident.
Alright, we go quick jump enter for inside case them for that will be get inside the week. So I say we start late, so we get for try for see us so we meet up with all the things that we don't put on for inside book. We go enter for first this one, we take on go for Nouvelle Route for Gendarmerie, Nouvelle Route Entre Gendarmerie now for that side, so for BP City, we they meet up die body. Tomorrow Sunday go make now 1 week where this what happen, where some girl where she don't one, the only one come after 4 days, Thursday. Last time we see we neighbor them and neighbor them say they see Friday they no see, Saturday they no see, only for trunk smell for come out for Ido for Sunday where Ido already die as soon as and celebrate them. Now for Windows SF where she done now for the way they so they be spy before they check say they so the girl where they call am saying June or a woman where they call am saying June Marie Noel he don't die. They say this speaking if he get 31 years before he dies home. No man he never sabi where to happen. Army rescue people themselves for Captain Afu Hansel as well they call them one time. They be there present for answer for year way to a pass for that side. Sabi say first they get for meet up with the gendarme, talk small thing them, check which way they get for buy am before they go broke that door. So after when they talk with the family people them, they enter, they go broke door, come up with the dead body for that picking or that girl where they call am say Marie Noel. So now we never feel for talk with way kill the girl, but family they talk say they no sabi whether the girl he ever gets on sick. But they sabi say the girl again we eat the trouble for town, trouble for inside quarter before it is so it leave. So no na that kind of get ready wait for say me massa he can give money. Another case too for die we will go talk am before we come back for on top here for top. We take on a go for place where they call am say Pom Noir, that's one that they call am. But me I go call am say bridge where black water they pass for under am. Now for that side so for a villa side, that one too it pass now for inside the weekend we will just finish am. Where some young boys say it take a time. He go enter for inside that water way he no sabi for swim. Now so too army rescue people then too they come for them, then too they can show their own small style where they sabi for swim inside that black water. So for place where they call them say Pong Noir, for place where they call them say village. Now so too they enter from top canoe, turn for inside the water. After they start jump for inside the water for check as way a day so they go find that dead body. Then sabi say after 2 hours when they turn inside that water, swim all kind of style. enter for inside the water, look all the conny hold them for the water, dem no be fit for see that young boy wey e fall inside the water. So one time they be comot for the water. Yes, they be comot for the water, they swim fine for inside for find the body. Other one they turn am for corner, they dey find am, but they no be see the boy. Na so too they end am for that day. After 2 hours wey they find am, but sabi say after wey they comot, e no stay, die body e comot too for up. Na so too they comot the die body. Now the quarter people necessary they turn back for see say the die body don comot. For some young boy wey e decide for jump enter for water, man e no fit talk wetin wey make am before e jump enter for that water for kill himself. But sabi say sotey now investigate, e don be continue for happen on top that palava. Now the two palava dem there for die, we will get am for inside the week. Some kind of die. Oga Jan, when you look all the two die them first, plenty people they talk say no fine say make person she don A1 for house one for that one with that girl be die they only meet up after. Some other one they blame neighbor where they she done for 2-3 days they no see neighbor, they no be fit for ask am. Then we get young boy to way he get strong. Instead for you for go do something, he go enter na water for die. Now on top the two cases, what do you get for put am for mob like a papa for picking?
Ambassador, I'll begin with that girl where die. Now say it's not fine for person for she don't for house one because anything fit happen. But the thing what they talk against say they were country still dey for back. Person not fit die. Well, get medical doctor them for then they not fit proof thing. They not fit identify thing where kill it. It shows say how our country they right for back. Now neighbor them two they be live with that particular girl where die so. At least they must find out yesterday I not see the person. After 4 days, wait it happen where I never see the person. They for instance even go broke the door or a number. They call the telephone number for see and say they where they don't travel not travel. They not do and so. So I they blame neighbor them and I they encourage people the way they should don't for one for house say they not do and so. Then for person where take it 2 foot go jump for water. That means say if something no they do it, they do something. I don't know. I'm not sure say person how I stand so. Even though I get 1 foot now,
Yes.
they not even if for stand for road for my call box, I go do it. But nobody say I would go jump for water so that man die. That means say that kind of person, now it's a fine he die, and not be. I did still talk say was there for back because I may risk to them. Enough for make one day even they say they be specialized for things where they do. Then after 4 or a few days they go see that die body.
They see the die body.
Yes, so.
Now you know say maybe the time when the boy die, be see there for underwater. Maybe for Sideways they show them because when they come work for Sideways population talk say na for year way for. So if they find the place way for they no see, you know go hold the army rescue people there.
Yeah, they na lazy boy because
I know they support them, but when they come they be show them say na for year the man be jump. Then to they come for the turn only for the place or see.
Ambassador, water no dey stand na one place. As water they go if they carry die body too. Go live am for some place. Now their work when it talk say you be specialist for something, do am. Make the world see and say you know the work fine.
Okay, what that die for that girl and boy to take his own 2 foot, go kill himself, jump enter for water. What you get for talk like papa to for picking?
Oga Ambassador, I go start na for die for that girl. For tell say na first time this for 36 years where something go happen for the Cameroon where no na Paul Biya Ifot. No na Paul Biya Ifot say that girl go die for us so because man no be know say he is sick and say book for God don't talk say no fan for the remain you one man no must remain you one. Teacher be blame neighbor them. We not say we there for copy life for white people. They don't you don't feel bien for some quarter. Maybe say your neighbor no know you don't even know your own telephone number. And you come be there, you make 2 days, they know they look you. Sometimes you dey comot, you know the great people, you comot, you just go. They don't know if you don't come back or they don't know if you don't comot. Now, thing if you make say that young girl, he don't die for day. It make like 3 days before they come discover say he don't die. And it seem like say na some young girl to way be try small thing them. As he be send things them like but so they before see say they never see for 3 days. They find them, but na that order don't make no. Say they know say something go be where it don't happen. Na big
big die.
Na big die. na problem for parents for that girl. And for come for that young boy, we fall for inside water, for black water, Oga Ambassador. Even I say a woman don't leave here. Even I say some man don't borrow him money, he no give him back. I think say.
Even I say he get some kind of war sick.
Maybe na that war sick female say he want come for that black water, no they look am.
No, but even the war sick every day.
No war sick no the way they need to treat am.
Any war sick get medicine. And you know if it come, we will see say that water black so it then how no so no for swim. Unless you want to say yourself, you just jump for inside so begin give work for people as we see that rescue people the struggle so. And that will say man the fall for water, that body no fit remain for one place, that trunk for water will carry they go for some side. And if for no say as you don't fall for ya, they must go like for 25 or 30 meters for go look up. Now so no na them we feel blame we no feel blame them. I say that boy don't find it on die and if you talk na say may rest in peace.
All right, we go left Palava for die them, we enter for Palava for fire. This one happen on Thursday, Friday morning. Now for Siri they call am saying Nouvelle Route Besengem, where population say be surprised, where fire is start cash inside the quarter for around that kind of past 9 o'clock for night. We fire so it start cash and the fire no be there na that kind of small picking fire. Now big fire way the population say no be fit for understand. But sabi say since we dey for corner army rescue people they say they be there na the first people them for land for them for see as well they go lost the fire say make e no enter for other people their house. Waiting be really happen before the fire be cash. Congo side, it be the talk say in a gas where some person be the cook on top. Congo side, it talk say na full away it dey come out for place where they keep fuel. No man to true, he never sabi wait way it happen before this fire way it burn so it catch for that side. According to report where we enter for we hear, it talk for we say this fire it burn one person die for day where this accident be happen. 4 people the day where they be born small but they no be dying, and we get plenty houses there, more than 20 houses them where they burn for that side. So as we talk, we know before for sabi the BT way pass before the fire it start cash for place where they call am say Nouvelle Route Besengem. But sabi say if the thing happen for night, we know before for see the place after where the fire don't lost fine. We be turn back for Nouvelle Route Besengem for morning time. We be there on Friday for see people them. We meet up with them. They try for bend their zinc them clean place where you don't catch. Then they try for show we side where they so this fire is surely start for that side. So we start for enter for see the real thing will happen. The boxing way they so they talk say na Guataho way it dey comot for place where they keep fuel and always it dey use for pass so they will small fuel away e go can enter for down same way you see am. That one also e go waka e pass now for corner people their house. You understand? That water now so as we enter so where you see am so now that boxing so that small round boxing. Now for the way they come out for place where they keep fuel, e enter for water. The water now so e go carry the water, e pass for different water way they so normal. Now for the way people they no be get for big house according to what you hear. But anyhow, we never feel for confirm whether na this one e cause am or no be na him. But sabi say as we fire e catch one time. Now why that way e burn all place for that side. So governor he don't talk say make they make investigate for sabi the real cause way happen for this fire for that side. Governor says Samuel to the neighbor Dubois he dey for that side. We hear say governor he don't give authorized say make it go down for field for try for go see wetin wey happen and for talk asham for all the people that wey their house them they burn. Ogale what fire wey cash big trouble plenty family them sorted today. Maybe they don't be number 2 nights where they no get house place or put their head.
Oga Ambassador, you don't come for some way we must talk for this kind of country where they give certification for society them where they make like yogurt, they make petrol, hydrocarbon, all that thing. I manage something will be like this one for SCDP where they wash all that dirty petrol no throw am for inside gutter. Where that gutter they never fix am say make that gutter grab go just internal for some container where they go just take that container before they go through it. They leave am so. I think say if I'm in Bafan some few times for Donya not far from this Equinox for Valley Besenge. Some people be there where they take pocket, begin go carry fuel as they be do for Same Fulan one day. That but stay. It means say that people they know they care for no nothing. They know they care for no nothing. When petrol begin come out, people they take pocket begin go carry them. I say they carry na water, and na water say we no get them for the country. They will go carry na petrol. So they throw that petrol. So you say Congo Saron talk say so it may be na some gas don't go blow where they cook chop. You know see say that hole where we show we so it black inside. All that petrol will come out that's SCDP. If you come join for inside there, and some man feel one pass where they smoke a cigar, carelessly he that may go for cigar for inside, you go put fire no, and that fire catch cartier. And I think say we did just see people they make their own thing. We did try imitate them. So we go make them we also. That one they call them for French now. For citasisme. It means say you did just repeat something with the year. You know say the year say pompier they get number so. If problem they call that pompier they will come. Some man don't talk a year for some radio. Say some man for that quartier. 30 minutes before that accident being, he don't call pompier like 10 times. He shows up that phone. Say they ring, they know they take him. But they give that number for people now for do waiting. Huh? Sometimes they try for lock that thing, may no burn all that 20 house them. Make that people where they don't die, may they no die. If they for come quick, this thing no for happen, no for trunk so, Oga Ambassador.
Okay, Ogajan, another fire where plenty people they don't lose their house. 2 people them, according to what you will be here yesterday, say small picking and so other man be die. This kind of fire, if you say not just carelessness or the people there because one they thought say normal people they no be care for be for place where they be built.
Ambassador, some man be talk say when they look him and me die, but they want cry. If I look the our country, I want so cry. Now house they meet up place where petrol they on a petrol meet up place meet up house. That way they be build the house. That container for petrol be for day for the fuel. They need to check and for move on. Now the same government they give land title for people then for go be house for the corner. That means as this country, as the country be ruled by old people then. They like say it don't be a burden for other people the way they grow young. Anything they just happen. Go for industrial zone for Bonaberry. Some company they where they make iron. Then for quarter. Now who they authorize that kind of company for inside quarter, and that company anytime people they die for day for industrial zone for Bonaberry, no man no the cough. How go do now? House is the day for place where fuel day. No man no the talk. Now fuel fit catch fire. Luckily, now only 20 houses they don't burn. Where at least if na say God no be there, sometimes the whole quarter be burn. Petrol no get. Nothing. It not been a brother for house. Petrol not been a brother for fire. And when they cook for that house is them every day. Not be all man they use even gas. Some people they light na fire. Some people they use na charcoal pot. Where even wind, if it carry fire, it go drop and for day the whole place burn. So this government, I beg, any man where they listen we will do something for this government.
You want to do it with you?
One do it. In fact, I be don't talk for here one day say if Cameroon pass we for ruler, may they sell and divide money. People they laugh. It don't already pass we. It don't already pass we for ruler. It don't already pass we. Cameroon don't already pass we. Think the way they happen for other country, they need to happen for Cameroon. So more the change, more the copy example. Even for small Equatorial Guinea where they for Wakona, the kind of thing nothing happen for they.
Alright, we go open chapter for campaign. Now we last those that for this afternoon go show now all campaign will happen for inside the week before we can talk on top. Today na last day for campaign before we get votes we dey come for Sunday. So we go start now with Cabral Libi. He be there for that side so for Fumban. Sabi say be one of the young boy them inside this chapter for campaign. He be there for Fumban side for try for see so he go talk with the young people them and even people that where they get age for go vote say Sunday. Enough hour again, make all man a come up for outside so for vote. He be then one of the last out to them. Today, Sese Paso the top. Cabral Libi, Sunday, it go be for place where they call am say Yawende for make a last campaign, big campaign where it go pass for that side, so for Yawende Omnisport. We left Cabral Libi, we enter to for Maurice Kamto to for Cameroon Renaissance Movement. Under rain, 9-way population, it talk for Maurice Kamto say come good for Yawende. Valsero say one of the Mutumbu Mawe the worker for Maurice Kamto. Ebidede, as well Maurice Kamto say comot population dem plenty for can talk for population say dey so. Time for change e don reach, and for change na for comot una plenty for see as well of una fit vote for we wey e go be na which day Sunday. Even Oga Ekuka Penda Sesep wey be don be na adviser from Kunkuma, e be dey for corner Maurice Kamto for talk for people dem say time don reach na for change. Pa Maurice Kamto Sesep talk for population for Yawende for talk say make dey sabi say day for change na day wey dey go put their vote, and e dey na for Sunday. And we sabi say Maurice Kamto dey for Douala here today wey na for that side they call am say Petit Terrain for Bonamusadi for the last campaign. Make we take una go for Penja side for talk say even for Penjam, but Maurice Kamto a party, e be there for that side, so for Penja for the people them. But sabi say for Penja side, e no be there, ISSF, na Paul Eric Kinger, e be there for talk for the people that say wetin, say make they no forget, say Maurice Kamto sesep e go be, and the red ballot paper na wey they get for use am for voting, wey e go be na tomorrow. Woman the way they do it belle, they go get job when they go do anything for inside hospital. We go let Maurice Kamto too. We talk Akeremuna, con the people them, or we talk Akeremuna. Before we talk Akeremuna, make we enter for Oga Franklin Ndi for Afangwin, where ISSF e be there for Gadwa side, e be there na one of the last work of them for North region, then we meet up with the own population for place where they call them say Gadwa, for talk for them 17. Tomorrow when na Sunday, na the day where they get for comot, vote plenty. If change, they want really see change. So he will be a president for Cameroon National Citizen Movement. He talk for people then say he own paper na green, and na for sure say waiting green na waiting green na for young people them, and na for changing them for inside country. Make we remain for up north for talk palava to Akeremuna. Sabi say Akeremuna say plenty young boy they be come out for talk for he say come good for that side, so from Gaundere and Akeremuna talk 17 yellow paper na way they get for use am as way if they so they get for enter for palava for vote for Sunday. Motumbu people they say they be there for talk this palava say pa Akere come good. We go enter now so for different chapters. CPDM SSF, them too they be there for campaign. We take on go for that side, so for Gadwa, for Bamendam, for talk say CPDM too, it be there for campaign, BP campaign. Plenty people they be don't check say CPDM, it no go fit for make campaign for Bamendam. Lie to lie, the last campaign will happen for them. Now Ogam as Jean Kwete SSF, Secretary General, it be there for talk for people them for Norway say waiting. Make them no forget for vote Nkunkumam when number 7 day for inside the money come. Young Philemon Seseb like head boy for campaign, EBDD, and other big people that Seseb for inside CPDM, they be dead. Boya side too, we go enter too for Boya, country people them, we enter for Boya. Sabi say we the only turn back for the thing wey happen, we go take on to go for side where they call them say Boya. For Boya too, we be get campaign for CPDM for Boya. Now the first one way it happen for inside Boya, country people them. The first campaign way happen for inside Boya since we they start waiting, since we they start campaign, open campaign, and it be happen for Bongo Square. Sabi say plenty of the people they be don't sabi say na Nkunkuma sesep e be the Camboya, but last no be na Nkunkuma. Moto de one na the see and so na moto we carry people them bring them for Boya. We na ketu them near the be there for back the moto, follow all the moto them as well they come out, as well they go na so to e come back. But the promise we Boya people they make am when na former Prime Minister Peter Mafane Mosengwe be there, he talk say go up and down, they so turn up strong for back Nkunkuma back as we they talk for that side, so for inside campaign first one wey e happen for open air for that side so for Boya. They say so years for back Nkunkuma e back go up calm down. Last one we look for inside and for Penja wey plenty people dem say dem dey touch for the first time. CPDM e get plenty population wey comot am for some kind political team for inside Penja wey dem dey try for talk say na Honourable Dono Banga Sese wey make the plenty people dey comot. Sabi say e be dey na time for CPDM people dem too for talk calm good for Minister Lojon Mbela wey e become for dey for can make e own campaign too for CPDM. Sabi say na e be the big man for inside Mongo division. E can remind people them for Penja say make dem no forget who for vote Nkunkuma when e come for tomorrow. So we don already turn round and we go talk on top the campaign. Sabi say the latest story for them na say wetin say Akeremuna e don join hand with Maurice Kamto say them two they go enter for see as wey dey. According to Pa Akeremuna, he talk say he no be fit for left Cameroon for back. He want to say make tomorrow Cameroon e better than say he carry na his own proper needs, his own self for go for before. So he don join hand for Maurice Kamto. So now them two then that see as we all them two they put their hand. Now for talk say true we don join hand. So for a vote, una go see we too. Make una no worry. Only man will be get for vote. Make una vote for Pa Maurice Kamto. Me, I don't come on my hand. I want to say make tomorrow Cameroon a day better. And with this also hear some Congo side say this evening time, plenty other people then too, they go surely join for inside the coalition. But we never feel for confirm. The only one who don't confirm, now these two people them, where it is so they don't join hand. Now, we go enter back for inside here. Palava for campaign. Ogaja. I don't turn all sides. Yeah. We don't see what today don't happen. The opposition and even the people that they did for chair. Come, where we get for talk on top or where to get for talk?
Yes, I will start by talk stay and for take Cameroonian and say if some different word be there where would they replace say election. But for me, I will talk some more talk formality. For me, election not there for Cameroon. I will tell you like a person. I supervised presidential election for 2011. I would deny say election not there for Cameroon. If election be there for Cameroon, this opposition, if really there be one change for the country, like how Akeremuna and Professor Maurice Kamto, they join so. Now so opposition they for do, they join one person, may they be one. Because they used to tell, we say when they join plenty stick for broker, I know they be easy. But as any man they stand, I no see no reason where they up to 9 candidates, they fit be for Cameroon. And it shows say it be very impossible. I mean very impossible for say may they win CPDM. I not come here for campaign, but I return and say they make error. If they really want change for the country, time still there, would they still wait with them? And then for say people there, it shows Boya now say CPDM go campaign for Boya. I never see place where they go campaign, then they bring their people then for go make campaign for day. Because Boya people they never come out. Now only few people that boss then so where they say and so now they bring people then for can show say campaign there for Boya. No inhabitants so for Boya. The one be a true fact. So at the back Cameroonian there where they say they be opposition, even I want change for the country, may when I join together. Even I not join together at the state talk, then will be wasting our time. Then that formality where they take place tomorrow, so we'll continue for the taker. For Cameroon, where they know where they hear. Now formality will be make for Cameroon, no be election. Because and I never see election where now so one person they win. I tell you,
it show say it be person where people they like and plenty. If they win one, mean say people they like it.
That's why I tell you say I be a supervised presidential election, not be council election for 2011. More just forget say election, they be don't pass, election be don't pass. Now they want to they call and say election. More see how where the one will pass. Whether it will pass like the one will be for 1982, or whether it will pass like the one will be for 2011.
Okay. Now, when you see the way campaign happen for this year and the way people them because people they glad for even go take their card for votes. When you see the campaign and the way they place vote, when you look at 2011 on and the one, you check this something fit change.
A thing where if it change, now we will bring the change. Okay. More forget money where they give we. If we really want change for the country, more check say my picking, it will be now who for the country. That time we will change. but no be their crowd. Most of the people they follow that people them for Baso, they no get voting card. The one not true. You know if you tell me say place now most of them are buying na Bensikina they follow them. But now how many of people they follow them so they get voting card? Now the question that if we really want change for the country, more forget money where they give away, more forget bribe where they talk say when I win I will do you so. Now the thing that way take I put the country for fire where for move on today. Yeah. You don't enter for fire. So they come up for fire pan go enter for fire. And some people they want and now say may burn because it already be for fire. If Cameroon and they want and say how a country Cameroon come up for inside fry pan, it go for fire. If they want and say may enter now, may that fire burn them until may not remain anything again. Then now we Cameroon will get to decide.
Organi what? Campaign e get for end today for evening time. Sunday, 9 way this way they get for vote, make a chapter for votes for inside the country. You yourself, if you Tory man, you don't see how the campaign happen. And when you look all the one them, when you look all to it happen, how you check and this new Tory to come up for Kamto and Akeremuna. We plenty people that say they don't talk in a better to Akeremuna do am for say make it put his support for Kamto.
Oga Ambassador. Tanwa the act as a journalist, I must get some neutral position. But now some citizens don't come for talking on thing where you get them for Bele. Them say, I know if you talk say, I know they are for campaign. I there for campaign. I don't pass for this place many times before this campaign reach. We also talk say we need change. My brother teacher say, you know they are for talk for flower campaign. Then when we talk say we need change. Now we change you need that. No, me say you call say me they go for that ballot. May change that people where they day for chair now. They put new people them where they feel roll this Cameroon. Now here they talk say I go start now say we get chance. Say this PG News. Many people they hear, they follow them.
And they don't understand.
I want pass for they talk say me the member for give one award for Oga Ambassador. Now I want to talk for my people for Cameroon and say if they give one money, when I take that money, now money for Cameroon. When I take that money, while I go chop am. Now on own money. No man no tell when I say CPDM can't give envelope, no take am. Now on small one.
Why they call now the CPDM?
No, I know finish talk.
Because they get money where they make campaign.
If CPDM can't give money, you take am. If na Univer or na MRC or na wait come give you money, you must take them, you chop them. But we know people wait for inside the Cameroon where they use for give that kind of money. Sometimes that money that they give them don't make say they overstay. For close that chapter, I say if they come give money for any man, may take them. Now where they for inside that house where they put them so where they put that bulletin them where go take and put them for inside ballot no. Now for they true go being. Now for they had go talk. And I want to talk say, Oga Ambassador, Mr. Akeremuna don't show his own heart. Say he no be man for egoism. Say he leg na Cameroon. Because na over big man way he there for be an president them for country. He there for work outside. He knock back for that BB people. So like say they be friend and they be friend. He don't come. He see say he na Oga na Mr. Kamto fit take that thing tell him. Now he don't see him so. He don't go talk say make the John. They make together. This last time them. Now few hours again for that campaign. If fancy people them here. Say if till for evening time, other people know but go join because how we go with the talk say changement must be. That changement na between CPDM and opposition. That opposition no must get 3 names. It no must get 10 names. Opposition must be now one for change that kind of thing we be done being since 36 years. Now, if till this evening time, that other people them or na Cabral Libi or na who, they know John. Make people where they don't join. All Cameroonians must know say they no go vote no other people. They will vote na people where they don't go join or they will be na 2 or they will be na 3. No, if you did 1, you know by John.
Yeah, not 2.
I go make
2 for 1.
If they did 2, if not only Akeremuna and Oga Kamto they don't join, may all people forget all that other one because they will go put that they vote. It will be na inutile. Because one man, you don't get 3 million people. Where surely anyhow they go vote. If they go divide that vote, they give small for one for Cabral Libi, where Lekam. They give small one for Kamto. They give small vote for Akere Muna. They give small one for Prophet Franklin.
Oh,
they will go John John. Which they know Oga Ambassador.
No one day.
And that vote now only 1 2. If I say they John John one time, and if they know John John, make population, they just go vote. Or you'll be univers, or you'll be waiting, What must go vote now for people where they don't join for say that vote get small weight.
All right, so country people them now the last one this will they do and before vote for president come. We say we go surely come off for outside for see as we place it go day. Sabi say we no day. If you get for come off for outside country for Douala or for Google outside today, you know go fit for Sabi say 6 o'clock. You remain for house. So 6 o'clock for Sunday. Thank you plenty, Oga Jam, for your time.
I thank you, Ambassador, and I thank the people. Some people they here say I don't make, I see they don't die. I see they are alive.
Okay.
Though another way, I will also come.
Thank you plenty, Oga Lewat, for your time.
Thank you, Oga Ambassador. Thank all your viewers. Thank you.
All right. We there with plenty we will make and say anything happen fine. Nadingwa for thank you, Malis, thank you. Even you Ledu Pone Warren Zede. Oh now the Raphael Dipanda too. I will say thank you plenty. Rebroadcast. It will surely be tomorrow for 8:30. But Sabi same we get election, so we go to get special program that we go come for Sunday. So if you don't see rebroadcast, no worry asking. Sote another time. On a hold am tight for outside.